Municipal cop lost his life after domestic dispute with his girlfriend. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The police in Clarendon are hunting for the common law wife of a municipal policeman in connection with his fatal stabbing on Monday. The deceased man has been identified as 30-year-old Keno McDonald, who lived in Birdground, Green Meadows in the parish. McDonald was employed at the Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation. The police report that at around 5:20 p.m., McDonald and his common-law wife had a dispute when she allegedly used a pair of scissors to stab him. The police were alerted and McDonald was taken to the hospital where he succumbed to his injuries. The investigations are ongoing. Up to May 27, some 29 people have lost their life in Clarendon. Links 007 TV News as well will continue to track this story and provide you with the latest information to come on this. Thanks for watching.